Welcome to Do a Parts Talk, your go-to podcast for all things related to the world of heavy-duty trucks and the technology that keeps them running smoothly. I'm your host, Chris Soyer, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of heavy-duty truck parts, the innovative technologies used to find and ship them, and how advancements in transportation and AI are shaping the industry. When it comes to keeping your fleet on the road, the quality of your truck parts is paramount. Heavy-duty trucks endure extreme conditions, and only the best parts can ensure they perform reliably day in and day out. This is where doaparts.com comes into play. At doaparts.com, you'll find a comprehensive selection of high-quality truck parts sourced from reputable manufacturers. They have everything you need, from engines and transmissions to brakes and suspension systems. Finding the right parts used to be a time-consuming and often frustrating process. But thanks to modern technology, it's now easier than ever. Online platforms like doaparts.com leverage sophisticated databases and search algorithms to help you quickly locate exactly what you need. Once you've found the right parts, the next step is getting them delivered. Shipping heavy-duty truck parts can be challenging due to their size and weight. However, logistics technology has advanced significantly. Real-time tracking, automated warehouses, and optimized shipping routes ensure that your parts arrive quickly and safely, minimizing downtime for your trucks. Speaking of technology, let's talk about some of the latest innovations in transportation. One of the most exciting developments is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the trucking industry in numerous ways. For example, predictive maintenance systems use AI to analyze data from your truck's sensors to predict when a part might fail. This allows you to replace it before it causes a breakdown, saving you time and money. Additionally, AI-powered route optimization helps drivers avoid traffic, reduce fuel consumption, and deliver goods more efficiently. This is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of logistics. For those of you who want to stay updated on the latest in truck technology and maintenance tips, be sure to check out the blog on doaparts.com. It's a treasure trove of information, offering advice on dealing with common mechanical problems, insights into new technologies, and expert tips to keep your trucks running smoothly. In conclusion, the world of heavy-duty truck parts is evolving rapidly thanks to advancements in technology and AI. Platforms like doaparts.com make it easier than ever to find and order high-quality parts, while innovative shipping and logistics solutions ensure they get to you quickly. Thanks for tuning in to Truck Tech Talk. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe and leave us a review. And remember, for all your heavy-duty truck part needs, visit doaparts.com. Until next time, drive safe and keep those engines running.